Assalamualaikum and hello. I'm going to continue to part 3, which is configuring and installing database server. First of all, we have to install all the packages. All the packages to run this using yum install, and yes to our permission, which is httpd mode underscore SSL MariaDB database and our MariaDB server php.aph MySQL. Okay, kita wait for it to download. Okay, we have finished download all the packages and dependency for PHP and MySQL. Next, we are going to check our IP address. So now let's check our IP address using if config, and you can see that our IP address need to change with the network so it can communicate. Use vim config network config and the interface. So change it to static, and the IP address is 192.8.30.30, and the net mask is 255.255.0. And next is the broadcast, which is 192.168.30. As we know, broadcast network is 255. Next, we are going to set the network address, which is 192.168.30.0. Next, we have to set the gateway, so you can go to pass through the network 192.168.0.30. And next, we are going to change on root to yes and save it. You press escape, EQ. Now we have to restart our network system, ctl restart. Okay, after we have restarted our network, we need to start our we need to enable our HTTPD that we have downloaded just now. Okay, and then we have to start the now let's check the status. And we can see it's running, active running. Okay, that's great. Now let's move to next step, which is enabling the MariaDB, our database. Okay, enable MariaDB. Okay, after that, I'm going to start the MariaDB. Great. Yes, as you can see, it's active running. Okay, that's great. Now, yeah, we are going to secure our MySQL installation by using MySQL secure installation. As this is the first time we use the database and the default password is nothing, so you're just gonna press enter. Set root for the password, yes. I'm going to change it to root. In root. Root. Okay, remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow root login remotely, yes. Remove test database and access to it, yes. Reload privilege tables now, yes. Okay, that's all. Next. Next I'm going to create the SQL interface using my SQL dash root u root dash p. Okay, enter the password we set just now, which is root, and there we go. We successfully get into the MariaDB. Okay, now let's create our database. First of all, right create database, and I'm gonna name it as user. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, and you can see the query has been accepted. It's okay. Next, we are going to add table inside the database, user database. So we are going to use user database, and we are going to create table users. Okay, users. ID, integer, 5 lah. Then not now, auto increment and primary key. Okay, and press enter. Next, which is name varchar. Going to put 100. Some people got long name, so yeah, let's consider that. and not null. So the won't allow null and required. Okay, next is the username varchar, and I'm gonna put only since it's just a username and not now. Next, I'm going to password varchar 20 and not now. Okay, close bracket and semicolon and press enter. Okay, our query has been accepted. Okay, now we need to grant all on user, which is our database. Two words, admin alliance, our IP database IP address, which is 192.168.30.30 and identified by admin 123. Okay. So now I'm gonna change it. Okay. Query has been accepted. It's okay. Now let's quit. And now let's move to our web server. Okay. Okay. Now let's check it whether can open or not using Google Chrome. Okay, I hope it can open. Okay, nicely done. There we go. We got the result, which is number 1. I wrote my name just now, Habib, and the username is Habib1998. Okay. Now this means that we have successfully activate our database. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.